Declaration of Innocence from the Book of the Dead. In this ancient Egyptian text, the soul of deceased makes a declaration before the gods, stating their innocence of various sins. The soul lists actions they have not committed in hopes of being judged favorably and granted entry into the afterlife. The Declaration of Innocence from the Book of the Dead highlights the importance of personal responsibility in living virtuously. It underscores the significance of ethical judgment and the relationship between morality and the soul. The true righteousness is essential for leading a meaningful life and achieving peace. Declaration of Innocence from the Book of the Dead by Nashwa Guanlak reflects ancient Egyptian society's moral purity values. The soul denies wrongdoing and affirms innocence, symbolizing an individual's attempt to justify themselves and gain entry into afterlife. The Declaration of Innocence by Nashwa Guanlak underscores the importance of moral integrity in an ancient Egyptian culture. It demonstrates how ethical behavior and self-justification were vital to achieving spiritual fulfillment and securing a place in the afterlife. The text serves as a lasting reminder of humanity's ongoing pursuit of justice, accountability, and significance of leading a virtuous life.